this is Herbert A. Brown Jr., Focus Winner. Today's message is, don't suppress God. John 10:10, the thief's purpose is to steal, kill, and destroy. My purpose is to give them a rich and satisfying life. Psalm 121:7, the Lord keeps you from all harm and watches over your life. Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek his will in all you do, and he'll show you which path to take. Today's message is, don't suppress God. Now in today's world, throughout Europe, throughout Asia, everyone's trying to suppress God. We're trying to act as if God doesn't exist. We're trying to put God off in the corner of our lives. In the United States, we don't want to have God in our schools. We want to push God off in the corner of our life. Don't suppress God. God created you. God wants a rich and satisfying life for you. We have to stand firm for God. We have to be bold for God. God is as real as you and me. God is real. We can't suppress God. We have to stand firm for God. Because God wants a rich and satisfying life for us. God works through us to bless others. Don't suppress God. Stand firm for God. For God created it all. If you stand firm for God, you're on the side of victory. So don't suppress God. Let God shine his light through you to bless others. And if you do, God will rain blessing and favor in your life.